Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take a large bowl. Add 1 well-beaten egg to the bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Add half a teaspoon of pomegranate powder. Mix it all thoroughly. Add 3/4 cup of corn flour. Mix it all thoroughly. Add 1 medium, finely sliced, onion. Add 1 small, finely cut, potato. Add some leaves of fresh coriander. Add 1, finely chopped, green chili. Mix it all thoroughly. Heat enough oil, on medium heat, in a frying pan to fry the pakoras. With a large spoon, put about a tablespoon chunk to fry. Fry till golden brown, turning over in between. Once fried properly and golden, remove on a kitchen towel. Let the oil soak for a while.